Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, subscribe. By the way, hi, this is Pallavi Arya. Do like this video, share this video, and tell me in the comments what you liked about the video. And with this, let's get started. So मैं आपको एक basic idea बता देती हूँ about this makeup look. I know थोड़ा सा extra है, but it's Valentine's Day, तो extra तो होना बनता है. And Euphoria is getting so trendy. It's trending like wildfire पूरे internet world में. तो I thought that let's combine Valentine's and Euphoria together and bring something up like this, which I think is wearable outside this room. And if you are getting ready for Valentine and looking for some inspiration, I think you can go for this, because this is not too much but this is not too little as well. So yes, this is the look that I created, and if you want to know how I did, keep on watching. The very first thing that I am applying on my face is Mars Illuminating Base, because it will give an illusion of a healthy glowing skin. Then I'll apply my foundation Lakme 9 to 5, and links to each and every product will be mentioned in the description, guys. Then I'll apply concealer as usual. The very basic steps. Only step that I added was the illuminating base. Then I'm applying loose powder so that the concealer does not crease. And then we'll start with the eye makeup, which is very basic. I have just used brown shade as transition one and then applied a pink shade over it. Nothing more, nothing at all, because I am not a pro at makeup. I just know basic steps of doing eye makeup. So I'm applying a pink colored eyeshadow around my eyes. Then I'm applying a pink glitter shade, a very light pink glitter shade above the pink shade, just to give it a more glittery look. And it's done. इसके आगे मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया है. It's done. And then curl your lashes, apply the mascara. I haven't used an eyeliner because I just wanted to keep it pinky, so no eyeliner. Then blush, highlighter as usual. Very simple, very basic. I'll definitely try to mention as much as makeup products that I have used in the description below. And now we are coming to that part which is the highlight of the whole video, which is applying rhinestones and diamond bindi on my eyes. पहले मैंने कोशिश की जो पतले वाले छोटे वाले rhinestones होते हैं उनको लगाने की, but I struggled a lot and wasted a lot of my time. Then I went ahead with the proper diamond bindi. आप मार्केट में जाके diamond bindi बोलोगे तो आपको यही देंगे वो. After applying that on my eyes, I think that it was already done. उसके आगे मुझे कुछ करने की ज़रूरत महसूस ही नहीं हुई. And then the basic eyebrows. I had forgotten to make my eyebrows earlier, तो मैंने वो बाद में कर लिया. And then lipstick मैंने 3 कलर की यूज किया because I was not satisfied with the color that was showing. So मैंने 3 लिपस्टिक्स यूज किए. पहले brown, then light pink and then bright pink. And yes, that's it. It's done. And I think it turned out much better than I thought it would. I think that this look is wearable not just indoors but outdoors and in parties as well. So if you are going out this Valentine's Day, I think you should try this look. एंड येस, आई वोर माई फेवरेट ड्रेस जो आपको वैलेंटाइंस वीक वाली वीडियो में बहुत पसंद आई थी. And that's it about the video, guys. Do like, share, subscribe, and if you liked it, please tell me in the comments, because एक रात पहले मैंने ये बनाया है, एक रात पहले ये क्रिएट किया है. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि what should I do, how to do it, और बहुत सारी गलतियाँ हुई हैं मुझसे, I know, but I know you'll forgive me. So yes, do like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Till then, take care and bye.